Hey, tech lovers! Ready to dive into the world of capacitors? Buckle up! So, what's a capacitor? Think of it as a tiny battery that stores and releases energy. It's made of two metal plates separated by an insulator. When you charge it, electrons pile up on one plate, creating an electric field. This stored energy can power circuits, smooth out voltage, and even filter signals. Capacitors come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny ones in your smartphone to big ones in power plants. Need a quick charge? Supercapacitors can do that. They hold a lot more energy than regular capacitors and charge up in seconds. In short, capacitors are essential for keeping your electronic devices running smoothly. So next time you use your phone or TV, give a little nod to these unsung heroes. Stay curious, my friends. See you next time.